Language spoken in Jamaica. What's Patois and English? Okay? What are you doing here?
Away do ya?
It is mine.
Afimi.
Where are you going?
Away I go.
Come back here.
Come back here, sir.
Why did you call me?
Away you call me for?
Look here.
Look here.
See me here.
See me here.
I'll repeat that. See me here.
See me here.
Look at this.
Look on this.
My mother.
Me mama.
My father.
Me papa.
My grandfather.
Me grandpapa.
My girlfriend.
Me girlfriend.
It is my child.
I see me picnic.
The children.
Get picnic them.
He got himself dirty.
He nasty up himself.
What a pretty girl.
What a weird yard pretty.
Can I have some of that?
Give me some of that, no?
Let's go over there.
Make we go over this, sir.
What is that?